like a 2x2 quadrant. I sound like such a consultant. It feels so dirty. It feels so good. We'll see how badly I'm going into a rabbit hole here. The reason open source is awesome is I'm going to have tons of perspective to judge any other system. So I got to implement this thing now.
Chatfield is like HTML forms, but it will have a conversation. Rather than be a graphical user interface, it's a conversational user interface. There is a LLM, of course, driving the conversation, the validation, and you can also transform the data into anything you like, since you've got an LLM there. Chatfield is both Python and TypeScript.
So having done that, it's stored all of that, and then it's saved it. And then if I pretty print out, I've got all of my translations and conversions and all of that stuff. So that's great. Oh, it's Prime. Wonderful. Passport. Start. Yeah. I'm about to do forms in a foreign language. That's the point. Yes. This is so cool. Yes. This is Chatfield. Exactly. Oh, cool. Cool. Yes. You have to take a bath and then we'll do Wash My Belly.
Do you think it's funny?
No.
It's funny to me.
Yes. All right, Japanese Prime Minister's office. This is cool. I can do any form from a conversation. I just talk to it in English and it populates it in Japanese, Thai. What did we do? Polish earlier today. I'm very happy. Let me push this